Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a grocery shopping haul and cleaning out my fridge before I put all the food away. So let's get right into the haul and then we'll clean out the fridge. Okay, so starting over here, we have 1 can of manwich, a can of chili, some raviolis, and some canned tamales, 1 pack of hamburger meat and 1 pack of chicken because I still have 3 packs of these left over from last week, 1 pack of hot dogs for chili dogs, and then this is for manwich, some Lunchables, some seasoned french fries to go with the manwich, 2 packs of beef taco hot pockets, 1 pack of cheese, a pack of shredded cheese, some taco mix and some chili mix, 2 packs of hamburger buns because I plan on making the manwich plus regular hamburgers, 1 pack of hot dog buns, 1 15-pack of water, and then a 12-pack of Dr. Pepper. I got this at the store where I live, and it was $50. Okay, so this is what we are working with the fridge. It is very sparse, very empty, and very out of place. So I'm just going to be fixing that today before I put up everything we bought at the grocery store. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start just by putting some stuff back where it goes and throwing some older stuff away before I put out the new stuff into here. And I usually ain't been buying as much as I usually do just because of, in my last upstairs cleaning video, I done a chit chat with you guys and I told you how I'm working 6 days a week, 12-hour days, and I just have no time. So this was my 1 day off this week and I've tried to get as much done as I can. So when I did go grocery shopping, I didn't get too much because I know I won't be cooking. I grabbed a lot of easy meals and stuff like that just to make it easier for me. So I didn't buy too much this time. So I am just going to be doing what I normally do though in this video. Just start by cleaning everything out, wiping everything down, and organizing the refrigerator. So now that the fridge is done, I'm going to start working on the freezer just because I don't really pay much attention to this area, and I guess just from where it's so small it gets really crammed. As you can see, everything's dumping out on me, but I'm trying to throw some stuff away or take stuff out of the boxes if there's not much left of it to try to make some more space. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So now that the whole refrigerator is done, I'm going to be working on this cabinet. This cabinet is our only food cabinet that I keep. Everything else holds the dishes and stuff like that. So this cabinet gets full very easily, especially when I buy stuff I already had and didn't realize. So I'm just taking some stuff out to try to organize and stack it up to try to make more room. And then I'll also be throwing some expired items away. And we will see if I can fit everything I got today back in there. That is it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.